I think this is the first time in history when regulation are trying to keep the pace of technology. Ehi, ciao, bentrovati. Welcome to the pack. Each card is a new question. Give us your best answer. Let's begin. How can digital sovereignty unlock the power of AI and not stifle it? Great question. The digital sovereignty discussion has been a great trigger into helping local operators getting as close as possible to global technology producers, and this is allowing them to offer the best AI solutions possible. Your report is Sovereign Cloud comes of age in Europe. What region will come of age next? We see a lot of hype coming from Middle East because, of course, they are trying to find a place in the international chessboard. Do all governments need a sovereign cloud? This is a big yes, because everywhere in the world, the citizens and organizations are asking for more control, more visibility, more transparency on how data are used to generate value in the digital world. Is there a risk that digital sovereignty can divide countries? I think I'll keep this one for later. How can more countries become producers of AI technologies as well as users of it? I really think that all comes back to research and development. Leading by example, training models on your own culture or on your own languages, training people on how to develop the mathematics of tomorrow rather than using mathematics of yesterday. What's your favorite shape of pasta? Very Italian question. Okay. Well, most of them actually, but if I should go for my allowances of carbs, I would go for a pizza. Okay, now let's go for the difficult one. Is there a risk that digital sovereignty can divide countries? I don't see this risk. I see the opportunity for countries to elevate their digital posture, develop new digital services, because they can protect the rights of the people, the values of the countries. Oh.
Round 2, quickfire.
Dog or cat? Dog, definitely. Puccino or Coldplay? I would say Coldplay. Espresso or cappuccino? Espresso. And remember, never cappuccino after 11 o'clock. Book or podcast? Still books. Running or swimming? Both of them. I run and I swim. And I also play paddle, which is big in Italy. Carbonara with pancetta guanciale. Come on, I mean, this is a sensitive topic because carbonara is just with guanciale. That's how we do it in Rome. And whoever uses pancetta for carbonara, we look at him like a savage. Let's go. What's a digital gift that keeps on giving? Freedom. Freedom of movement, working, and connecting with people wherever you are in the world. Your first electronic gadget. This takes me back to the 80s, to my first personal computer. It was a Sinclair Spectrum ZX48K. Do enough CEO care about digital sovereignty? We have seen in the last 18 months more and more CEO getting this top of agenda. And this is round complete. So let's swipe it.
Here it is.
Okay, let's see this once. Why is Europe the center of digital sovereignty? Well, I think that Europe back in the 2020, 2021 had real peculiar combination that could make it the cradle of sovereignty. The need of keeping our value top in the agenda, the need of using data to help the economy be sustained, plus the missing of global scale digital players. And what does this mean globally? And this paved the way for the other regions in the world. We show how you can connect in local operators, getting as close as possible to global technology producers to have the right balance between access to innovation, but still keeping control of your compliance posture. How are other global regions taking on the sovereignty challenge? It's a big discussion, either following the European way, so putting together local operators and global technology producers, or invest into developing their own technologies. This is why we see it in Middle East and East Asia. What will sovereignty look like tomorrow? The short answer is more technology, less regulation. Moving from ideas to guidelines to implementation to address sovereignty requirement that comes from sovereignty values. AI is reinventing technology. Is sovereignty holding it back? Now that we are moving from the POC phase to the scale phase, new dimensions need to be explored, and new angles needs to be enlightened in order to really deliver AI in any situation. I think this is going to accelerate digital sovereignty. The end.